Good table, man, for the price and you know what I'm saying, the reviews. I know some reviews people was dissatisfied and distasteful of what they had, but for me it's 100%, man. Very steady table. I like my setup here, got all my stuff around it. The space between the table, the glass, and the metal part, it makes it easier to clip on like a lamp or whatever, or just something like a tripod to hold your camera if you want to record your art. So that's pretty dope. But yeah, man, I give it a 9 out of 10. Perfect table. Drawers is nice. You know what I'm saying? To put your art mediums inside, anything.
This bracket goes into this hole, right? On the other side, there's a bracket, but no hole. So how am I supposed to